Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we are talking about FF Coin, a project that's been getting a lot of attention lately, but not for the best reason today. FF is currently trading around 13 cents, and in the past 24 hours, it's dumped nearly 17%, leaving many holders worried and wondering what's really going on. So let's dive into what caused this sudden drop, what's happening behind the scenes, and whether FF Coin can bounce back soon. Over the last week, FF Coin had actually been showing some momentum, with a few green days that got traders optimistic. But this 17% correction looks like a typical post-pump cooldown, something we often see when profit-taking hits after a quick rally. A lot of short-term traders seem to have exited their positions, causing selling pressure across smaller exchanges where FF Coin has most of its volume. On top of that, the overall crypto market hasn't been very stable today. Bitcoin and Ethereum both faced intraday pullbacks, and when majors dip, smaller altcoins like FF tend to feel that impact harder. Some investors also reported a delay in FF's upcoming update announcement, which may have triggered mild panic selling among holders expecting news this week. But despite the red candles, FF still holds some potential. Fundamentally, the project team is working on expanding its ecosystem, especially focusing on cross-chain integrations and utility updates that could bring real-world use to the token. If those updates roll out smoothly in the coming days, we might see the sentiment shift again. Looking at the charts, the 12-cent zone is acting as the next key support. If the price holds there and volume picks up, FF Coin could stabilize and attempt a recovery toward 15 to 17 cents in the short term. However, if Bitcoin faces another correction, FF could briefly revisit the 10 cents range, so risk management is important here. In short, today's dump looks like a mix of market correction and impatient selling, not necessarily a breakdown in fundamentals. If the team continues to communicate transparently and pushes forward with development, FF could definitely recover. Remember, coins with solid tech and community backing often bounce back faster than expected once the broader sentiment improves. So what do you think? Is this just a healthy dip before the next move up for FF Coin, or is the momentum fading out for now? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to like the video.